Keystone is killing it just a little bit with these 2025 layouts. This is a 2025 Keystone Hideout 171 MB. The MB stands for Murphy bed, but it's not an ordinary Murphy bed layout. It's not. Just wait. We'll go check it out. Let me tell you a little bit more about it, and then we'll go check it out. This hideout is only 20 foot and 11 inches in length with a GVW of 4390. We do have an electric awning with a big window on the side. We have an on-demand water heater. It is a Gerard brand. They are heavenly. Inside, we have our front bed, which is a Murphy bed with a jackknife couch. We have our wardrobes to the side as well as a shelf above. On our wall, we do have a AC unit. We do not have a unit on top like some campers. This one has a wall unit. Moving on over, we do have our kitchenette with a 2-burner stove, a sink, as well as our range, and then our microwave and our refrigerator. As you can see, there is plenty of storage all above and below and to the side of the kitchen. But I want to show you guys the most unique thing that I've seen thus far in a Keystone. In my few years that I've been working with RVs, this is probably one of the most unique setups that I've seen in any camper, especially one that is this small. Usually the campers that are bigger have the more unique stuff in it, so I appreciate seeing something so unique in a hideout. Immediately whenever I see this, I thought that, oh, this could be a trailer for someone who is studying, someone who is a travel nurse, because so much counter space. It also comes with 2 little benches, which I'm going to move out of the way for a moment. And underneath, you have a bookshelf. This is another reason why I thought of someone that is a traveling nurse or someone that is in school, because you have plenty of space to put all your study material. But the best part is this little guy. So I'm going to unhook the strap. That is the safety strap for travel. So all you do is push up on these little blue tabs, and it folds out or extends out for more counter space. But just wait. It's on a track, so it's able to stop in any area that is under the counter that the track is on, or that is on the track. And I just can imagine having a whole computer set up with your mouse, keyboard, have all your study materials. This is just a student camper to me for some reason, but I adore it. Another reason I really like this camper is that there is so much space. Like, it's very spacious for how small it is for the length of the camper. Let's go ahead and check out the rear bathroom. And we have a full bathroom, full-size shower, a toilet with a foot flush, and as well as a sink with a mirror. Hi! And storage underneath. And the bathroom is really spacious. You have a lot of bathroom counter space. You got your toilet foot flush toilet. And the shower too is pretty spacious. Not anything too special, but it is still a nice quality shower. I like that it did include the little shelves in here. Some RV showers do not have shelves, so you have to purchase something to store all your shampoos and soaps. So I do like that you got the little shelves in here. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every single view, every single person that likes or even comments. If you could comment down below what your favorite feature was, because I want to know what you guys think about this. And also, please like, comment, share, subscribe. if you would. I'd appreciate it. Until next time, hope you have a great day.